Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to create a bootable flash drive using PowerISO software. You can install Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and 11 easily and faster through that flash drive. Of course, in order to install Windows faster through a flash drive, you need a flash memory that has high reading and writing speed and is suitable for transferring large amounts of data. Guys, I use a 64GB UE700 Pro flash drive to do this. Now I use PowerISO software to make this flash memory bootable and to install my desired Windows through it. Let's run the software. We enter the Tools menu. We select the item Create Bootable USB Drive. You can see that a window called Create Bootable USB Drive opened. Import the Windows installation image file with the ISO extension that you prepared earlier into PowerISO from this section. It is better to set the right method to this option. Click on Start to start the operation. Here, a warning window will appear. If you have important information inside your flash drive, make a copy of it, then OK this window, otherwise, all the information on the flash drive will be formatted and will be lost. From this moment on, wait and do nothing because the continuation of the operation will be the responsibility of PowerISO. If you do not receive any error message, it means that the operation has been successfully completed. The operation is coming to an end, and after that you can easily install the desired operating system through your flash boot at a much faster speed than a DVD disc. A message appeared that the work was done successfully. Now let's go into the flash drive and see the files that have been copied inside the flash drive.